today we are going to open this Play-doh kitchen toy.
It's a Play-doh kitchen creation set.
And it has a grill, Mom. It has a grill, guys.
There's a grill
Yeah.
with different shapes on top. Opens and there's still cool little shapes. And the nice thing is they have little feet so it actually stands really nice on the table.
And then there's some other little thingies.
You close it before you get those out.
There's a spatula.
You get one.
There's a knife. There's another shaper, a rolling pin,
And 2 plates.
and 2 plates. 2 little Play-doh plates. There's a tube with a pusher. There's also 5 little Play-Dohs, and I also bought some extra Play-Doh. You guys could use that too.
This too.
Yep, go ahead. What are we gonna make?
Let's make... Can we pretend you're the customer?
Sure.
What do you want?
Can I have a burger, please?
A burger? Okay, we need to do...
Let me do it.
Okay, what color? I'll grill it, you put it on. Okay, do you want a hot dog?
Sure, I could have a hot dog.
Okay, this, a bun,
Mama, help me
and a
open this.
burger, and this. And then we need some toppings. Do you want tomatoes and lettuce?
Sure.
We need to put it in here. Here, some in the bun. We need to make 2 buns, not just 1. 2.
So we're gonna have a green bun.
And a different color bun because we need 2. Then we're
So we're
going
gonna do rainbow colors.
Then we need to put it on there. And we're gonna make a hot dog. And we're gonna make a hot dog for Mommy. Okay, there we go.
This is gonna go on a hot dog.
A red hot dog. Oh, where's the bun? Do you want everything on it?
Sure, you can make all the shapes and we could figure it all out.
This is some onion. Do you want any onion?
Sure.
So you want everything?
Sure, but we need to shape it to fit. They're gonna go a little over. They're gonna spill a little bit. Okay, go ahead and close it and see what happens. Okay, let's see what we get. Whoa, okay, let's see. So here's...
Can I lift it?
Sure. Here's
Let me lift it.
There's the
that's
burger.
the burger actually.
That's
That's one of the
one.
buns. Wait, George. Let's
And
cut
there's
out the
the-
mushroom.
And the hot dog.
The only bad thing is if you overflow the Play-Doh, you gotta cut it out. So here's a mushroom. Gotta cut the hot
You
dog.
put it flat on this.
Yeah, you could do that. That's really cool. We could use that as a bun too. Hot dog. And an onion.
And it turns.
Perfect.
And it turns into lines because it has lines.
Oh yeah, it has lines. Here you go. That's Mommy's plate. Here's your burger. Mmm, yummy and delicious. I found this Play-Doh set with the extra Play-Dohs at our local Target. Georgie's making his own fancy little buns.
Okay, we need to cook, Georgie. There's lots of customers.
And lines.
What do you want? Okay. You want like some cheese on the hamburger? Coming right up.
So you put it in there. Oh, yep. Good job, George. And you squeeze it so Play-Doh comes out.
They want some red.
You could use that for ketchup. You use that for mustard, for all the
they want ketchup.
condiments on top.
Make the all.
Whoa!
And we need to get
You use that for a bun too. You have different shaped buns.
Hey, pieces.
we need the ketchup.
Hey, Play-doh.
So if you're looking for something fun when you have a boring afternoon and nothing to do, get a Play-Doh kitchen creation set.
Bye, and remember to subscribe.